Hi, I am designer Samar Patel. The client wanted that the kitchen should have adequate storage space and at the same time feel modern.
We looked for many options here and finally we came down to Livspace. We basically wanted our kitchen to look very spacious.
White color acrylic finish was chosen as the color of choice so that the space feels spacious and modern. Along with that, we chose a quartz countertop and the backsplash so that it complements the modern and spacious design. We removed the storeroom to accommodate tall units and added cylinder units to its side to make the space for big containers below the platform.
I had thought what space I would get in the kitchen. Now I have more space.
We used each corner in their kitchen by adding corner units to make sure each and every inch of their storage space can be utilized ergonomically.
After the installation, we were very happy with the quality of material, the kind of installation that they have done in the kitchen, and it was timely delivered.
They wanted a low maintenance kitchen, so we avoided putting up any open storage spaces.
I would quite recommend that if one is going for a modular kitchen and if they need a good quality of work, I always recommend that at least you should visit Livspace once and try what are the possible options there.